high on the feeling, can't seem to focus.
Well met, travelers. Yes, it's me, back in the flesh like I never left. It has been a while, hasn't it? Sorry, life happened, you know? But it's happening again today, and we are somewhere very special to me. That is, of course, Universal Orlando Resort. I just want to have some fun today. Get back into the swing of doing this, you know? Come along, have some fun. Maybe we'll sneak into Epic Universe. All right, so first order of business is I gotta get this annual pass activated. And I have no idea where to go to do that. Wow. I dream of you. So, after about an hour of nothing working, their whole system is in collapse mode right now. It's the first day that Epic Universe tickets are on sale. I got one this morning, by the way. And their system is falling apart at the seams. They can't make anything happen. So, it's not their fault. They were being very courteous about it, but I can only imagine that a lot of Karens are throwing a fit today. So, stay strong, Universal workers. And CJ at the will call kiosk, good man. And here we are, finally inside. Beautiful monsters. I do very much miss Poseidon's Fury, but I also very much expect this to become a temple in Hyrule. I mean, it's already got the whole setup. You know that'd be perfect. Just for a little explanation as to why I was out there for that long, by the way, it was to activate this sucker right here. But like I said, the system is exploding. You would think that Universal would have better servers on their back end, but what do I know? Oh, she's busy. She's busy. Okay, wow. Not only is their system falling apart, it is buck wild in here. I had to get a frozen butterbeer though. Gonna get on Hagrid's now. They actually gave me a single-use express pass for any attraction I wanted for the inconvenience, but not anybody else. See, that's what happens when you're nice and polite to service workers, my friends. They help you out. VIP entrance. Look how red I am. I guess it's the train, probably, but I'm also red. It's warm in Florida. You already know Hagrid's is dope. Hagrid's is dope. But it has one of the most painful wait times in this entire resort, so I'm so glad I got that one time skip the line pass from the front. CJ was the man. Yeah, it's really warm. I feel disjointed, A, because I haven't done this in so long. B, my body can't adjust this quickly to temperature changes. I'm not as fat, but I'm still a fat kid inside. Literally, I'm sure my arteries would agree. Let's see what else is going on. It smells like straight sewage over here. Huh. All right, anyway, let's see what the story is here. My favorite ride in the resort, but I bet it's got like a 90-minute wait. Let's see if single rider's open. Oh, you know what? I don't think it is sewage. I think it's the fish from Three Broomsticks. Why does it smell that fishy? Is that normal? Single rider is fully at capacity, and I don't feel like waiting right now. So let's get something to eat and maybe circle back. I think I'm gonna try to find this pass holder lounge I keep hearing about in Toon Lagoon, but I have no idea where it is. I'm assuming I could easily look that up, but that's not my style. I wonder how long this land will stick around. Like, legitimately. Oh, there you are. I'm not gonna lie to you, I thought the lounge was gonna be like food and drinks and stuff, like an airport lounge. It was literally just like a glorified gift shop with some chairs. There's not even power outlets in there. Even Six Flags does the power outlets. Come on, guys. Did get the free lanyard, though. I think we need a little Hulk action in our life. You know, those are actually the track pieces from this ride, pre-refurbishment. I think that's super neat. You probably knew that already. Yo, that's the first time I've ever noticed that. Is that like always there for theming, or are they building something? What's going on over there? Again, I have absolutely no plan, so let's just pop over to USO for a minute. See what's going on in here with Mardi Gras. I'm sorry if this one is boring, guys. I'm trying to get back into the swing of this. It has been a while. Let's see what we got going on in the tribute store right now. Legends of the Bayou from Mardi Gras. Let's check it out. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Okay. These are just cryptids. Right on. I love the Flatwoods Monster. Hey, what? Oh. Is that for dramatic effect? Whoa, okay. That was cool. That was really cool. I miss you, Jaws. Diagon Alley is cool, don't get me wrong, but I do miss Jaws. Stop for a little grab some of these. God, my color is terrible. Some of these spicy Szechuan chicken bites. They're all right. They've been sitting out for a minute, clearly, but I can tell the flavor's there. They're good. I'd eat them on camera, but I have the camera in one hand and the box and chopsticks in the other, and it's really impractical because I'm not sitting at a table. But they're solid.
Sorry, guys. Happy Mardi Gras.
You as well. Oh, it's that panda from The Tonight Show. I think there's lore to this, but I don't know it.
Yeah, it was cute. Definitely more like...
I'm back over at Islands of Adventure now because I can't leave without hitting Velocicoaster at least once. And don't worry, I'll be back here for a few days, so there's going to be more. Okay, let's try this again, shall we? I mean, what is there to say? It's one of the best roller coasters in the world. No question. Most of you have already been on it, I'm sure. What can I say? It's powerful, forceful, intense. That Mosasaurus roll is mind-boggling. It's just so good. This is the largest school group I've ever seen. What the hell?
The walkway exit is approaching. Please, watch your step.
So that was a fun and eventful day, and I'm gonna catch up with you guys back at the hotel. And in doing so, explain my absence a little better. So, obviously I'm not in the hotel room. That's because I'm in my office, back home. It's been a while now. I needed to gather my thoughts to tell you guys exactly what's been going on. So there were a lot of familial issues. None in a fighting way. To put it bluntly, my father passed away. He had been battling an illness for quite some time, and what happened, and we lost him. And it took a minute to process that, to deal with that, to handle a lot of the things that needed to be handled. And YouTube just went on the back burner. I don't apologize for that, because obviously there were more important things going on in my life, but I wanted you guys to know why I was absent. Things have leveled out now. Obviously, there's still mourning to be done. It's it's my father, right? I mean, me, my brother, my sister, my mother, everybody in the family is going through it right now. But you know what? Roller coasters and theme parks, that's my escape. That's what I love. So it's time to get back in the saddle, because that's what he would want me to do, honestly. He loved my channel. I don't know if he watched it religiously, to be fair, but you know, he was very supportive of my hobby and my passion. And I'm very thankful that the rest of y'all are as well. And this and all future videos are dedicated to Mike Smoke. Best man I've ever known, best dad a man could ever ask for. I'll love him till the day I die and beyond. With that being said, travelers, things are gonna get back to normal. And until we meet again, Godspeed.